We'll continue the audit on Lattice by looking at the platform page, and we're now looking at performance as a capability under the platform section. For your point with like some imagery would be an overload, where even with GIFs that they're doing, they've grayed out all the inessential information and they highlighted what you need to see. Maybe the speed is an issue, like it doesn't give you enough time to comprehend what is happening. That is one thing that they could have worked on. And in addition, they have a button below the GIF called Discover Performance, where it's a full-fledged video where you can explore. They only have it for the key features, not for every feature page.
Generally, when you see such pages, wouldn't a screen section occupy more space?
Hierarchy-wise, we want you to read first. Read first.
So they're doing it a little differently from what generally is here.
And this is why I also had to link the video below, so if you want more information, you can look at it. Coming to a Theva's survey section.
Oh,
Yeah. Tab section.
this is quite nice.
But I agree with your color overload. In terms of a tabular section, what more could you want from it? There is the header, there's a brief overview. So even before clicking to a tab, you know what to expect. And they have a small pop-up image as well within the tab. As you scroll, the section changes.
Here the gradient doesn't seem overpowering because it's just 3 elements.
Yes.
So it does seem to work out fine.
And they've also very smartly clubbed the relevant testimonial to the team that they're talking about for HR teams, and they have a testimonial from the HR team. So even if it's not from the HR team, the quote that they pulled out is very relevant, like which is not something that most websites mindfully do, which we can clearly see that Lattice.
So they don't have a lot of redundant sections. They have a lot of concise, like pairing the right information.
That's how they've been able to crunch the page size also. And they've mindfully also chosen where they want to show all of the information and where not to do that. Within this tab also, just so much that the image to this person is good enough to know feedback. It's a 4 tails bars, but also going into detail within that tab here is. So making that call is also something, I guess, that's important. This was also another interesting thing. So at first I thought it was the ability to navigate to the next section, but then on looking, realized how they correlate between these capabilities, which is how with performance you can look at engagement and OKRs and compensations. That is also something which is done smartly. It is also a smart way of selling the entire platform and not separate modules. Because in the body copy they say, see how performance connects with the rest of the Lattice platform. Trying to say that each is not a standalone thing, like everything else seamlessly blends and complements each other. So every other page as well, they have this tab connecting each other. No tab is in isolation. In terms of organized information from the homepage to platform, they've done it very thoughtfully, which is why this particular website stood out for me on that front.
Now that we've gone through 2 pages, if one section had to be the standout section, do you guys think that would be?
I guess for me, what takes the cake always is when they directly address their consumers or the users and say that, okay, for this team, this is how it works. I think that puts a lot into context for someone who's making the decision to buy the said product. Because if you're not able to envision it, how your team members are going to use it, you can only do so much, right? You can only imagine, okay, will the HR team be able to use it and give whatever reasons? Because until then, unless you don't use it, how will you win? So yeah, for me, that's the most important.
I like the same section, I know, the file-like section. I think it was like, design-wise, it's quite a different section, and it really, copy-wise, the entire website is quite effective.